What up racers, AJ with Relentless Racing. Welcome back to the channel. I got a new project. Okay, let's do a quick walk around. This is a 2001 Porsche Boxster S, and she's a little bit beat up. In fact, there's a piece that fell off of the bottom right there. And she has not been running for about 6 years. And supposedly, oil mixed with coolant in the motor. I don't know if the trans is good or not yet. I don't really know anything about it, but I got a really good deal on it. And obviously a cat walked along here and did its thing. Got this nice access hole there. This is the older original window. That's probably the original top. And the body looks fairly straight. I don't see anything huge on here, but there is a dinger right here. You can kind of see it in the fender right there. And then let's see a little bit more in here. Again, this thing's been sitting out for quite some time. And then see this side over here. You can see that the window's all the way up here. See how it's catching on here. Usually these things have a micro switch, and then the regulator pulls it down as you open the door. And then see the whole car right there. And then one of the things I noticed too was back over here. Looks like the wheel caps are missing, but check out the exhaust pipes. They're filled with dirt. Craziness, right? Wheel caps, well, the insignia pieces are missing. Looks like they fall off or something like that. Looks like they're just glued on. This one, so all four are missing. Let's take a look at the inside. This window's been open. Oh, that's my Canon WD-40. It's a little yucky in here. Kind of see the door panels all jacked up. This window's been open the whole time, the whole 6 years. Yeah, that floor mat's done. Look at this seat. Got some nice mold over here. You've got all kinds of stuff going on back here. It's pretty crazy. Look at that. Woo! The dash actually just looks like it needs to be cleaned up. Let's go look on the other side. Since the driver window has been closed, for the most part it's been closed, it doesn't have as much wear. You can kind of see right here, nothing happened here. Of course, this stuff got wet. The whole thing's been wet. There's an immobilizer underneath here. I'm sure it's completely shot. But you know what? The driver's seat looks decent. Black driver's seat right there. And then what's behind here? Oh yeah, she's filled with water. She's been sitting in water for a long time. The immobilizer has. So that grate's right there. The grate's missing over there. Not that big of a deal. And it looks like this is the shelf that's back here. Some of them have a Bose subwoofer in there. And then let's see, is there anything in here? Oh, that looks like an old phone. Crazy looking. Oh look, that might be a wheel lock. Cool. And then here's the center console right here. Again, just looks a little dirty. I think it just needs a little bit of cleaning. It did come with 2 keys. Who knows if they work or not, but we'll figure that part out. I don't think there are any cracks on the glass, not that I'm aware of. I bet you the drains are all jacked up in the front right there. There's also a drain here, under here, and a drain over there for the soft top area. So I think the first thing to do is to try and get the frunk open and try and get the trunk open. So I'm going to try something a little bit different. There is an emergency pull cable underneath here for the frunk, and there is an emergency pull cable for the trunk that is down over here. I'm going to try and release it a different way. So let's see if we can do it. I'm obviously not working on the Porsche Boxster right now, but if you want to see if I can pop the front and trunk electronically, you're gonna have to subscribe and hit that notification button. This is AJ with Relentless Racing. Stay relentless, and I'll see you on the track. I'm out. Woo!